Themba Mliswa over implicated by the death Victor Matimadanda, but tukuna kuti vana majara-jara anozikanwa kuti these are early 2030 lieutenants. Panguva ino they are against zvigananda. Aruya panguva ino achitaura mashoko akachiti there was a trip, a visit yakaitwa naThemba Mliswa at Mozambique. Panguva ino achionekwa kunzi he was sent to explore nekuona ways to deal with Matimadanda once and for good. Sarapina mashoko abudanyirwa panguva ino ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Majara-jara samudanyira chiti reply to a post yakatanga yaitwa naSadc Themba Mliswa yamuri kuona. Themba Mliswa akatanga achiti I recently enjoyed a productive meeting. I was celebrating the new year with some friends from Frelimo in Mozambique, led by Honorable Elias Niquens, where we explored business opportunities, leveraging the bilateral agreements between our nationals. Zimbabwe and Mozambique share a unique bond, and we anticipate collaborating in sectors like mining and agriculture. Mozambique boasts significant resources including oil and gas, and there is a great potential in establishing a gas pipeline to help reduce some of expenses associated with the current system. The core principle of our mutual support during the struggle for independence included creating business opportunities for our local communities. Moving forward, it's essential that the conversation in both our countries shifts towards economic empowerment rather than remaining focused solely on the past liberation narrative. Tona kuti majara-jara reply to this post yangaita danyira chiti in January when Themba Mliswa went to visit Mozambique under the pretext of exploring business opportunities, when in actual fact he was on an assignment to deal with Matimadanda once and for good. Toma developments are kuda panguva ino. Kuna comment section medu muri mafunguro enyu muri kudipa msoro bechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.